Hey everyone, Steve from OpenBOM here. Let's take a look at one of the neatest features, I think, in the Solidworks plugin, the ability to move your CAD files to your preferred cloud storage location while you're creating a BOM. So in the settings, I've checked, I want to use my cloud settings. I've selected Dropbox from quite a wide variety of choices. I've gone through the authorization process of signing in. And then I've indicated that I want OpenBOM to send my CAD files as well as PDFs, generate 2D PDFs of each part, send those to my cloud storage area as well on Dropbox. So I've gone through that. Let's just create a bill of materials like we always would. OpenBOM goes through the regular bill of material process, visits each part, extracts all the properties, thumbnails, and sends those to our bill of material. We also go through another step of picking up the file from its disk location, moving it to the cloud storage, and then finally we visit each part and generate, in this case, a 2D PDF of it, and we also send those to our cloud storage, in this case, my Dropbox. So everybody recognizes the value of having those PDFs out there somewhere in the cloud so you can share them easily with other stakeholders. So OpenBOM creates my parts list bill of material, and we go there. So there's going to be a couple of new features in this parts list bill of material. There are these two columns right here, and they are links to the Solidworks file. That's a link to the Solidworks file in my Dropbox area, and that's a link to the PDF in my Dropbox. So let's take a look real quick at that Dropbox storage. We'll see that a new directory was created with the name of the assembly, and all the parts and PDFs of each one of those are stored in here. So you can view and share those alike. So OpenBOM helping you move your files to the cloud. See some of the other documentation for more details. Thanks.